been 9 months since I flat ironed my hair last. I'll make sure I'll put the video link down below. But I went ahead and totally washed my hair to get all the oils and castor oil and all that stuff out, because I don't want my hair to be weighed down or fried. So this is like no product, just washed, put a conditioner in there, left it in for a couple of minutes and rinsed it out, and detangled my hair. So this has no product in it. So I'm going to go ahead and first blow dry my hair only on cool, and I'm debating if I should do the tension method or use a brush to brush through it. Let's just jump into it and see. I went to the beauty supply store, Sally's, and this is Beyond the Zoned Heat Protectant. It's a spray. I usually get the one and only argan oil heat protectant. So oil consistency like a serum. So I never used to spray before, but my hubby got this for a gift for me for passing my Texas state license test to be a claims adjuster and property and casualty claims. So this was part of the present. So I just sprayed a couple of pumps throughout my hair and run it through. The second part of my husband gift was a blow dryer, because when I said that I was done ever straightening my hair forever because of the heat damage and I had to do the big chop. It's funny how time flies and you forget what you said you're never going to do. So never say never, because you might find yourself doing it anyway. I had to get a new blow dryer, and it is pink, and I'm going to make sure I do it on cool. So I'm sure you guys don't want to hear this blowing in the background, so I'll just play some music while I blow dry my hair. I think I'm just going to put my hair in 2 sections since my hair is so fine and thin. I don't need a lot of it, and yeah, let's go from there.